Ever closed a huge deal and felt like celebrating with a little extra cash? Maybe your company throws in a bonus for exceeding sales targets? Well, hold on a second. What if that extra money wasn't exactly a bonus, but something called a spiff? What's the T on spiffs? Spiffs might sound fancy, but they're a different beast than traditional bonuses. Bonuses are typically tied to overall company performance or individual quotas. They're a way to reward long-term success and incentivize salespeople to achieve specific goals. Spiffs, on the other hand, are like the sprinkles on your sales sundae. They're short-term incentives designed to push sales of specific products, services, or during particular sales periods. Think of them as a quick pick-me-up to get that extra push towards a target. So, spiff versus bonus, friend or foe? There's no simple answer. Spiffs can be a great way to boost sales in the short term. Imagine you're close to your monthly quota, but need a final nudge. A spiff for selling a specific product line could be the motivation you need to close those last few deals. The allure of the spiff. Spiffs can be attractive to salespeople for a few reasons. Immediate gratification. Unlike bonuses that might come months later, spiffs put that extra cash in your pocket right away. Commission-hungry salespeople can find this very appealing. Targeted incentives. Spiffs can be tailored to specific products or services that need a sales boost. This helps companies move inventory or promote underperforming items. Gamification. Spiffs can add a fun element to the sales process, turning it into a bit of a competition. Healthy competition can be a great motivator for some salespeople. But wait, there's a catch. While spiffs have their perks, they're not without downsides. Here's what you need to consider. Short-term focus. Spiffs can make salespeople prioritize quick wins over building long-term customer relationships. They might push products that aren't the best fit, just to snag the spiff. Unsustainable sales goals. Companies might use spiffs to inflate sales targets that wouldn't be achievable otherwise. This can lead to burnout and frustration for salespeople. Erosion of base pay. In some cases, companies might use spiffs as a way to justify lower base salaries. This can put pressure on salespeople to constantly chase spiffs just to make a decent living. The spiff verdict, friend or foe? Ultimately, spiffs can be a useful tool, but they need to be used strategically. Here's how to make them work for you. Transparency is key. Make sure you understand the terms of the spiff before chasing it. What are the goals? How much is the reward? Balance is everything. Don't let spiffs become your only motivation. Focus on building long-term client relationships and achieving sustainable sales goals. Negotiate your base pay. If spiffs are a regular feature of your compensation plan, make sure your base salary reflects your value. So, are spiffs a bonus? Not exactly, but they can be a valuable tool in your sales arsenal. Just be aware of the potential pitfalls and use them strategically to maximize your success. Call to action. What are your thoughts on spiffs? Have you ever had a spiff program that worked well or one that backfired? Leave a comment below and let's chat. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on selling.